Alright guys, on X, Twitter, comments on posts are not always easy to find. So here's how to quickly see all the replies on any post. So let's say you are scrolling and you want to just see comments on any post. So you can usually see the number of comments on the left comment icon, but here's the catch. If you tap on it, it redirects you to your own reply. But to see everyone else's reply under that specific post, you're going to just tap over the description of the post, text or hashtag, whatever is in there. And it will open up the comment section from where you can view all the current replies for that post. And not just that. If you want, you can also tap on this filter option, usually shows relevant, and then filter comments from relevant to recent or likes. By the same way, you can see comments and replies under any public post. That's all for today. Thanks for your time.